YouTube, Molly and Geezer here. We're just ready to depart from the Walmart in Hannibal, Missouri. You're probably wondering what we're doing in Missouri on an Iowa trip. My bestest friends live outside of St. Louis, and I haven't been to see them in a very, very long time. They've made the trip up to my house for visits, and I've never been able to get down to see them. And anyhow, since I was going to be so close, I decided to just make a drop down to their place and visit for a few days. They tell me that the city park has a real nice campground, so that's kind of where we're headed. And the reason for it, I don't know how long we'll stay there, a couple of days, and then we'll head north and get back on track at Keosauqua, Iowa. And that's about it for now. It's time to go. Yeah, baby. What do you think, Molly? Huh? You ready? You ready? Yeah. All right. Oh yeah, it rained last night, so we've got a roof full of water, and it's going to come down and mess with the windshield, I'm sure. I can't believe gas down here. I paid $1.88 yesterday. It's $1.92 here. I think it was $2.39 at home when I left. Trying to get on Highway 61.
Turn right on US 61.
There we go. That was easy enough. Here we go, southbound. Y'all remember me talking about, I think it was on the Facebook group, but that I had a weird noise going on, was asking for some help diagnosing it. I figured out what it is. When I pulled into Walmart parking lot last night, it started doing it real bad as I was, moving around the parking lot looking for a level place. I just kind of set my foot on the brake and that growl quit. And I thought that was kind of interesting, so I drove around the parking lot a little bit more, and it'd get growling at me, and I just set my foot on the brake, not squeeze down nothing, just barely touch it, and that growl would quit. So I'm pretty sure that what I've got is a brake caliper that's doing some weird crap.